Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change the oil on your Kia. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the engine undercover. There is an access here for your drain plug and access here for your engine oil filter. But I'm gonna go ahead and remove this undercover so I can give you guys a better vision. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and set the tire pressure with 35 psi. This one is already 35. Alright guys, so do not reuse the drain plug. Always replace this. And torque this to specification. There we go. Now let's move on to the filter.
Oh. That one was ECG. Very fast to do all that. Wow.
Make sure this filter is tight. Just hindsight only. Okay.
Yeah, I know what I get. I always wanted to get through.
Alright guys, so we are also replacing the engine filter, and here is the part number. Okay guys, so when you pull this out, you gotta be careful because There's all kind of debris in here. You don't want any of this go to your blower motor. It's gonna make noise. Oh, there's one there. It's almost. Oh, there's some bug too, right there. Ooh, there we go. Also, like few bugs in there. Yeah, definitely time to replace it. Here is the new one, guys, and here is the part number. Alright guys, so you want to make sure when you install the filter, this arrow airflow is pointing down. Forget about the dampener. Cool. Let's also replace the wiper blade. There's like a little tab right here you gotta press and slide this out. I like to put this here just in case this one will do that. Here is my driver's side wiper blade, and here's the part number. Alright, let's move on the passenger side. Here is the passenger side, and here is the part number. Alright guys, so this is going to be the final step. I had the engine sat for like 2 to 3 minutes. Just want to make sure that I am checking the proper level. So here we go. Alright guys, so this is low, this is full, and this is where we at. We're good. Okay guys, that's all for today. Have a great day. Bye.